El espacio probablemente está abierto la mayoría del tiempo porque son una pareja y hay confianza.
Most likely the space will be open most of the time because there's trust. You are a couple after all.
Puedes entrar en él o en ella, interrumpir, confrontar algunas cosas.
You can enter this space, even confront certain things.
Y procurar que el espacio esté abierto. Si son pareja, puede que a veces esté cerrado, entonces también dejas libertad y no te involucras, ¿no? Aunque veas que está pasando algo.
Sometimes when the space is closed, you may have to leave some space and allow some space for that process. When you observe something is going on, but you see there's no doors are open, you need to allow some space. Cannot just break in. No puedes simplemente irrumpir, obviamente.
Pero en general no tengas miedo de confrontar e ir a ayudar, ¿no?
But overall, in general, it's don't be afraid to go there and confront.
Y quizás la reacción no va a ser fantástica.
Maybe the reaction will not be wonderful.
Y no somos maestros del otro, eso es muy importante.
We are not the master or the teacher of the other.
Ni terapeutas del otro.
We are not the therapist of the
Aunque
other.
trabajes haciendo terapias y consultas.
Even if you're a therapist and you're professionally dedicating to therapy, whatever, you are not the therapist of your partner.
No estás analizando sus gestos, ni analizando sus números, ni analizando su lo que sea, su cuerpo.
You're not analyzing their gestures or body language or numbers, whatever.
Pero puedes sentir.
But you can feel.
Y si tu conciencia te dice, ve ahí, ayuda, confronta, involúcrate.
And if your consciousness tells you, go there,
Y
confront,
quizás el
get
otro no te
involved.
va a decir, ayúdame, porque no es capaz en ese momento.
Perhaps the other is not going to tell you, help me, at that moment. It's not capable of doing that.
Pero somos pareja, somos un equipo, ¿cierto?
But we are a team.
Puedo involucrarme, si lo voy a hacer en conciencia.
I can get involved if I'm going to do it consciously. I can and probably should get involved. And that may be the moment for finding some time out, allowing for some space, and maybe one of the two will go out for a walk. And it is very important to be very conscious of setting a moment in the future to speak again, to talk again. Maybe, okay, this conversation we will continue tomorrow, or maybe in the afternoon, but making a specific appointment for the conversation to continue. Pero hacer una cita específica para continuar la conversación. Don't allow it to become to fade and just leave it like that. No permitir que se desvanezca la conversación y dejarlo así. Because that will accumulate, some kind of like unresolved matters will accumulate, and we don't want them to blow when it's too intense in the future. Porque se van a acumular las conversaciones no resueltas y no queremos que estallen en el futuro. Entonces, so that's a good advice to postpone the moment for the conversation, allow the emotions to settle, and get a rate check. Entonces esa es la idea, poder posponer la conversación, permitir que las emociones decanten y luego establecer un momento en el futuro para continuar.